Okay guys, whoa, how do I look before? Hey y'all, what's up YouTube? It is your boy Well Beloved, and we're back with another video. Guys, like embassy manje ne. Khona umuntu bengizodibana naye. But now I'm here because ngile ngacabanga ukwenza namanye ama video ne. Ama ideas. So guys, ngicela yekele lento yokungibukela kulentuzana kuphela ku TikTok kuphela because ama video wama TikTok bra like kuba ngathi anginangqondo and like aba ku YouTube bra I'm short bra like nginengqondo focus. So ngicela niye ku YouTube because angithandi ukuthi nibe nale like nithi manje ngibheka le side lokuthi ngingazela ku TikTok now. Lela side like bro, like think about it this way, dog. Reason why you don't want to do it is because you are scared of what will people say, or maybe you don't know where to start, yabo. But think about it, dog. If you do a flop video, who's gonna see it? Cause like okay, like you are saying you are scared to do a video, maybe to drop on TikTok. Let's talk about TikTok, like specific, like yeah, TikTok. And you are scared to post a video, but like, why are you scared? Because you're saying no one is gonna watch it. That means no one is gonna see your flop, especially on TikTok. TikTok everyone drops every day, so umuntu ubona ivideo yayidlula fast akanaki nokuthi kulikeni nani, not unless ke wena unabantu abakulandelelayo ke abazobona ukuthi ivideo yakhe flopile. But think about this, upost ivideo ayibukela umuntu, which means no one's seen your flop, no one seen it. Ungaphinda upost enye most, because at the end of the day nobody cares where it's on. So what I'm trying to say is, dog, take a camera, start doing it now. Start doing it, dog. Maybe on YouTube, yeah, you might not get views, but treat it like it treats a documentary life. Yeah, you see, even right now, I'm doing a video just to talk to you all. I don't care if it's 3 minutes or how long, but I'm just doing a video to tell you all what's okay. Even if you guys don't watch it, but me, I will come back to watch this video and be like, oh my god, here I was really talking to myself. I was telling myself I should just do it, and then I did it because I feel like I want to be consistent, and I don't have ideas, but I feel like I will drop anything. Dog, I'm posting it now because it's like I'm documenting my life and I'm using YouTube. Because maybe if you find me I won't have these clips, so YouTube will keep these clips for me. So treat the content as if like you are documenting your life. You see, even okay, nami I'm shy. Video. This is why empty, dog. You can even check it out. It's really like me one. I'm not scared. I will do these videos. I will do these videos and it's fine. Even if you guys don't watch it, it's fine. Or whoever also intwana zami zizofuna ukubona ukuthi okay ubaba bekenzani never sit. Bazobona la video. So when ungacabangeli into yokublow up at the same time, cabangela i-future ukuthi okay, someday ungakwazi ukunceda umuntu. So just do it, bro, and yeah, just post about it. Now ngila scale up. I came here because khona umuntu bengizombona, but at the same time I thought okay, this is an opportunity to do ama videos because man said angikwazi ukwenza ama videos because ngihlala no rooms and I have to respect the privacy yakhe neyami. So I'm here now ngizoyenza nama video because sengimbulile umuntu bengizombona. Now I'm here to do my videos and I'm done because ngiyenzile ama clip ku TikTok. Ngizoposta ku TikTok. This one probably will go to TikTok now. I'm not sure. But yeah, lento le icabanga, dog. Njengoba ukuthi uyasaba ukuposta ama video, ubani uzobona iflop yakho mfethu. Like ku TikTok upostwa every day kanje. So no one akekho nesikhathi sokuthi uzongena ku account yakho ayocheck ukuthi video yakhe flopile or kwenzakalani, because akekho nomuntu ozowazi ukuthi upostile except laba abakudlule kuphela, and angeke babuyele because kunama creators amasha every day. So ayikho into esabayo, yenza leyo video ipost mfethu. Otherwise I'm about to buy now. That's all I wanted to say, bro. Like I said, I don't care if this video is 3 minutes or 5 minutes long. I will post it, and I might post it now. I'm not sure, but I will see. Crazy. Oh my gosh, I want to do a video with her, and I texted her. Okay, there's this hand who just passed here. I texted her on YouTube when to collab tonight, but she was like, not now, cause I ending ngiyakhumbula ngiyazwa i-account yami bengeka-blow up, so bengingenama-followers, so it was like ngiyogaina kuye, so bekangafuni ibe kanjalo, which I understand. This is why now I'm trying to create my own name to a point ukuthi okay, now I'm the brand, because probably she is the brand, and she is the brand. I can see on Instagram she is the brand. As for me, dog, I'm not even a brand. I'm still trying, dog. I'm still marketing. I'm still trying to build an audience. Yabona nje nami, dog, I'm trying to build an audience here on TikTok. Ngiposta ama-video futhi ayasangana ama-video wami, and uvele ubone seyi-blow up, and I'm like, kanjani, dog? Bengi-expectanga, because before ngiwapost I'm like, le video lena iyabhora, yabo. But mangiceda uyipost abantu bayalike mfethu, and I'm like, oh okay, lawa engiwazondayo ilawa right, ilawa a-right, ngeke i-blow up, izohamba nje, but lawa wrong iwe lapho a-blow up. Awekho wrong, a-right, just that mina ngisuke ngingawathandi, and angirealize ukuthi mina ngiwabheka ngiuser i-personality yami. Ama-personality wethu awafani. Wena lawa wazondayo, it's not like, okay, if you are hating someone, not wonke umuntu uzomhate leyo muntu, yabo. So when if uyayizonda le video yakho, not wonke umuntu uzoyizonda, omunye ngamsebenzela. So just be real, be raw, dog. So now yeah, ngizofaka nge-shuttle stop, ngizohamba nge-shuttle ka-4. I'm just waiting ukuthi kuhambele ama-shuttle wamanje bese ngibambe line. Oh shit. So yeah, yo, what I'm trying to say is to just do it. Yabona le English yami nje ayihlangani mfethu. But do I care? No, I don't care. Akusi language kamama wami leyo, akusi language kababa wami futhi, i-language engiyidobhise endleleni esikolweni. Otherwise yeah, angifuni ukuqeda ispace sami. Thank you so much for watching the video. That's all I wanted to say. Focus, dog. Focus on your dreams too, Vito. Chase them. Don't chase your dreams. Okay, there's this prayer. Okay, that guy said, but okay, I might not say it ngalendlela right, but they said bekumnyama, and then God said let there be light. Yabo. So which means light beyikhona. Into uNkulunkulu ayenzile uyiwelcomile. God was like, let there be light, which means light already existed, but uNkulunkulu wayiwelcome, and then light yavela. So now how about mothandaza uvele uthi which means okay, mothandaza, which means ama-opportunities sewakhona. Into edingakalayo ukuthi wena, into eshodayo ukuthi wena uwa-welcome. How about maybe you say when you pray, let there be tons of opportunities, or a bunch of opportunities, or whatever igama ufuna ukulisebenzisa. Let there be what maybe tons of opportunities relating to yabo lento oyifunayo, yabo. If like maybe I want to be a soccer player, let there be yabo tons of opportunities that will help me, yabo, or help ama-scouts. Angazoyibeka kanjani, dog, but let there be opportunities azokufaka kulento oyifunayo. Let there be opportunities azokwenza ube patient. Let there be opportunities, let there be yabo i-welcome leyo way. Ungasasho ukuthi Lord give me strength to chase. Leyo way seyikhona, uyichaselani khona. uNkulunkulu ukunikile, dog. When uyichaselani seyikhona, i-welcome. Yeah, dog, let the imali mfethu isho, let there be opportunities or whatever ezokwenza uyibone le mali. Welcome, dog. Ungayichase. My God, please cela ngiphe strength sokuchase imali or sokuchase ama-dreams wami. No, wa-welcome ama-dreams wakho sewakhona already, alinde wena ukuthi uwavulele umnyango angene. Unga-chase gijimisa into ekulindile, dog, na. So even though mina ngingakwazanga ukuyichaza le way, but hopefully uzoyi-understand ukuthi ngiyaphi. But i-life sengiyibona kanjalo. This is why every time manje I'm just doing a video, as long as because I'm like ngimcela ukuthi let there be ama-opportunities ukuthi ngenza ama-video azongenza mhlambe ngitholele way engiyifunayo, which is ama-followers abo 10K. And then now ama-opportunities everywhere I go, ngithola i-idea yokwenza i-video or i-chance yokwenza i-video, which means ngiwawelcomile, sewayaziveza. Bengingawaboni, but since ngithe let there be opportunities that azokwenza yabo what sewayavela. But if ngithe ngicongipha amandla okuchase ama-dreams, bengingibone next cause ngijahile, I wanna chase, so I wanna do the right thing. But mangi-welcome kancane kancane, those small opportunities dog avelayo yawa-welcome. So yeah, qala wenze kanjalo. Anyways, yeah, that's it, dog. I'm about to leave now. Take care. Dog, I just met this Han, Dwana. If I shoot Elijah, my father. yo, I just met this hard ngakhuluma naye dog. Siya vibe dog. Yo, am I in love? Yo, njalo ke mina. Fuck. Vele ngibese bathandweni isuka. That's crazy yo. Otherwise sokhuluma mangifike endlini.
Kubaluleke kakhulu wena.
Sanibonani. Ninjani? I'm okay, thanks. Nami ngiyaphila. So guys, I know yesterday what I did is I took only clips awalabe sekhona okay ngizochaza fast bese yodlala ibhola leli bebaspikile kusocedisa lenye team then saya unfortunately azange qualify saliwe nathi basilethise kancane ama-match afuna abale bebaspikile which is okay but I feel like kumele baqale ngathi babone if isadlisa bafaka abantu babo than ukuthi bafaka abantu babo if badlisa bafake thina like ungangifaki sesigijima game dog ayikho into enengqondo engizoyenza mara abaza sikho lapho so yeah izolo besiyodlala leyo tournament bekuyo holiday and today it's Thursday and I'm about to study because tomorrow I have a test or two accounting so now I'm busy practicing ngizoqala manje kodwa ngizobengakaqali anyways that's it dog manje ngisuka la emall bengokhipha imali ingenile dog ngifike ngabambi line ngiye ngo10 ngabuya ngiye nge2:10 ngabuya aboma 11 crazy dog line beyin otherwise that's it that's all I wanted to say. That's all I wanted to share with you guys today. So now I'm about to study as you all can see and that's it. I don't think I will do anything else today except going to the gym later. I missed you guys. Do you guys miss me? Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, right? You guys are not even liking my videos. Oh, now you guys are liking my videos. Let's get this video to 6 likes. Let's get this video to 6 likes. I want to see something. 6 likes. I'm sure Lenya said 5 likes. Yeah, I told 5 likes, which is I want to say thank you so much, guys. Let's see 6 likes, much. Anyways, we will talk. If something interesting happens, we will talk. But tomorrow I will take you guys with me. So parallel testy, and hopefully the vlog will be interesting and will be fun. Plus it's Friday, and I also vlog Saturday and Sunday. Okay, this vlog will be interesting. Anyways, sila South manje. Don't ask me ukuthi sifike kanjani la. Don't ask me ukuthi ngifike kanjani la noma ngizoyenzani nama ngazi. Kodwa ngizibone sengila South. Bekhona umuntu bengizombona manje ishakaphendula iTikTok wakhe. Adlala. Konto bengizoyenza la but manje sengiwenzile ama video bengifuna ukwenza. Now I'll go back to RSC and then ngilungise ngebholeni. Then ngizobuya ngifunda later. Otherwise I'm here. South you can see bro. So khuluma kahle kusasa. For now ngizobanga shuttle stop because isikhathi sesingishayela bengizoyenza ama video la then it's shy.